Y'all, messing with a Jamaican man, this is what you better have in your life. Good morning, guys. So it's day 2 of my freaking vacation. Say hi, sis. We don't want that kind of energy over here. Anyways, so we about to get some Matters patty. Wait, Matters patty. Yesterday we had Tasties. I don't really like Tasties. Matters is my shit. So we're getting cheese patty and regular beef patty. It's like super hot. And I'm not to tell them the exact order. Oh, yeah. And y'all, it's crazy hot outside. And like everywhere you go, you have to sanitize and you have to wear a mask. Even if you're fucking vaccinated, bitch, it don't matter down here. So, yeah. Hi. Could I have one peanut porridge, one ham and egg? Nope. Porridge finish?
Yeah. We not have that. We not have that. Okay.
Both? Hi. What about the liver and stuff? That's finished too?
Only I can't talk. Hello.
Okay, I'll take ackee and saltfish, and I'll take 2 cheese patties. China, what that's a guava?
Guava pineapple.
Yeah, I'll take a guava pineapple. I'll take a bottle of water.
In the box?
Yeah.
Okay. Water?
Yeah.
What flavor for you?
And I'll take orange juice.
That's in the box as well?
Yes.
Alright.
This look good. Oh, they did give us straws, but no forks though. So what am I gonna eat with? I guess I might have to eat this when I go home. Definitely. I know for a lot of people, when they come to Jamaica, it's for excursions. But because I'm from Jamaica, I come here for the food. To be honest. Tell me, this party no better than yesterday party?
No. It's
No?
an overnight party.
That?
Yeah. Taste party hallelujah.
Yo, I just turned off the camera because she gonna say juicy and tasty patty is better than Matters patty. She's like, oh, why you turned it off? Matters patty is the way to go. You should have got cheese. Taste my patty.
Patty.
I don't know. You should say hater.
They need fathers.
Sister, they need fathers. I'm crying. Wait, oh, where juice there? Oh, I don't care. So we headed to the supermarket right now, and watch us spend like 100,000 Jamaican dollars. So she had to sign the juice because they sell it in here. So I guess they don't want to think we stole their juice. But it kind of do make sense though. Oh, where you gone? Oh shit. See me, I walk all the way down there, sir. Oops, sorry. I spy my favorite Malta in the motherfucking world. Like, the best Malta is the Jamaican ones. This, period. I'm gonna take like 6. I didn't know Suppergen carried this many flavors. They have malt, Irish mash, chocolate, and coffee. I want to try this one. I think I'm gonna try this one. Mommy, you took up Suppergen already? Mommy, you took up Suppergen? Yeah. I want to try this one. If it tastes bad, I'm gonna bring it back. No, I don't want back juice. I want fruit juice. So give it up. I want to taste this. I want to see what the hype's about. I don't know. You want junk, girl? Oh, I need cheese sticks for Madison. And don't eat them, China. You hear? Yeah. You see that?
Oh, come out and take a picture now.
Ah!
Come out and take a picture. You can stand beside this man.
I don't want to take a picture beside him.
Why? That's the fun of it, man. You stand up and take a picture
Oh,
beside him.
God.
That's what everyone them do, ladies.
Y'all,
Yeah.
messing with a Jamaican man, this is what you're about to have in your life.
And just go up and stand up beside that stand by the car. Show the picture of the girl.
Hold on.
You can't tell me any
Oh, hell
any
to the
angle
nah.
you want.
Oh, hell nah. I like the other one better.
I know.
He said I know.
All ladies like it.
Y'all, this is Bob Marley's house. Fun fact, I used to live down the street. And I used to live right here. Yeah, it's so nice coming back to where I once lived. I used to live at a lot of places in Jamaica. And we're going up a hill. We coming all the way from down there. Jesus, I'm tired. See with a little sweet. Woo! I wish I could move back to Jamaica. I would definitely move back to Jamaica. Like, you know, save up a shitload of money and just come back here because it's just too nice. It's nice, right? We finally made it to the main street, and that's church. Oh, frig. Whew. These houses are nice down here. The last time I came, all these new buildings was not here. I'm gonna show you guys another big one. Like, I know most people have a bad impression about Jamaica, but trust me, it's a lie. The lie detector test said, bitch, that's a lie. So that's another nice mansion up there. This house been there forever. Remember mommy used to bed right there, so mommy? Like, that's how we used to bed. I used to bed right here. And I think a toilet is there also. Oh, where? Which part? Which part? Oh, the one the new?
I think so. I think it was this one.
The one, yeah?
Oh, more of my food, you know.
And that's the kitchen. Used to sleep over there. The earpiece still right, sir?
No, flick over. Shake the body though. Shake the body. Hey. Flick over. Shake the body and flick over.
My mom always doing some nonsense with my child. You want another picnic, mommy? You want another child?
No.
So, I don't know if you do what you do to my picnic.
Shake your body, girl. Shake your body, girl. Hey.
So guys, this is another part where I used to live. And that little house right there is my grandmother's house. Wait, my great-grandmother's house. And this is not your usual vacations where people are doing the fancy excursions. That's gonna happen later on, but for now, I'm just having a nostalgic moment. Yep, this is where I grew up. This used to be the kitchen. Mama cooked the best food. And this is Mama's grave. Mommy! So what the headstone there? And like that's the bathroom and the toilet. So my mother there. Shake the body for them. She need to learn for twerk. I'm a little boyfriend this, you know. Him come touch up my bottom. Him, that little boy, yeah? The two of them. Look on them. Yo, these kids, Jamaican kids are a different breed. So we're headed to the pool, guys. Gonna smoke some hookah and drink some sorrel, red stripe. Let me stop playing. But yeah, we're gonna smoke some hookah and drink some beer and stuff. First of all, the whole of the pool look deep. Hey China, move from this. Why? Because the whole of this look deep. China, move.